Good morning. I got a request for a no makeup look for the summer. I already have my brows and my lashes on. My brows I did with the Focallure pencil. I'll put a link in the description box so you can see exactly which one I used. The lashes are the Focallure, and this is the second time I've worn these, and it went a little smoother. All right, I'm going to begin with primer. I'm going to use the Sisley double Tenseur. And I'm going to go straight in with my foundation. And I'm going to use the Good Apple. And I'm going to use my Mally brush and apply that. I don't know whether this foundation has sunscreen in it. So if you're a sunscreen wearer, I guess you should put sunscreen on prior to this step. I'm gonna do it like this on my nose. The pores on my nose are big, and I have some scars on my nose from zits, I guess, from when I was a teenager, and I picked. When I was an anxiety-ridden teenager. I think that looks nice. I don't know how no makeup, how non-existent you want the makeup to look. I like my skin to look smooth and even though. So there we go. I'm gonna find a smaller brush and put the foundation on my lids too. This is a Real Techniques, what do they call it? They call this a domed shadow brush. There's what we have so far. So far, if you don't do brows, you can skip the brows. If you're not going to apply lashes, you can just put mascara. I have some of the Gigablack on the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take the Buxom Backyard Bronze Staycation. Make sure I have a clean brush, a cleanish brush. And I'm going to take the outside ring of this and put that on my brow bone like that. For my summer makeup look, I wore my surfing t-shirt. I got it from American Eagle. And I think it was newly released when I got it. So they should still have it. Then I'm going to take the center part and put that on my lid. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and put the outside ring underneath my eyes. I'm going to take this crayon from Girlatik. It is the metallic shadow stick, and the color is cashmere. I'll put that over the bronzer. Put it in the lash line. Then take that pencil brush that I have and smudge it. I'm going to put the cashmere metallic stick on this side too, and I'm kind of dotting it along the lash line. This is my pencil brush again, just lightly smudging that. I'm going to bronze up my face I'm going to take the Physicians Formula in the color Endless Summer and bronze up my face. I'm going to bring it up a little bit right here like this to make it look like suntan. Put it in my hairline. Put some more on my brow bone. Along my jawline. I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and put that under my eyes, down the middle of my nose, in the corners. Blend that out with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. Just do a little highlight on the brow bone. Take my powder brush. I'm not putting any powder on it. And blend that good. I'm going to take a highlight from Jaclyn, the Jaclyn. And it's called Awestruck. I'm going to put that in the center of my lid. Put a little bit on my, up here. Tip of my nose, down the center of my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm going to take the Girlatik, the orange in there, and I'm going to add some color. Like that. I'm going to put some Eye Brightener white or nude liner in on my waterline. My new pencil, Urban Decay, is still missing. I evidently put it somewhere safe, like I said before. I will make that my project today to find it again. It was a great pencil. Found it. I'm going to use a gloss balm from Fenty, and the color is Fussy. I'm going to take the Tenseur. Looks like I still need more bronzer on my forehead. I'm going to take the highlight, the liquid highlight from Tenseur, and dot that on my cheekbone all the way back. I'm moving fast because it sets up fast, and I don't want to end up with just a line. Alright, I'm going to take a charged water skin hydrating mist to set all this down so it doesn't look so makeup-y. This is my foundation brush. I'm going along the edges of that bronzer. Make sure it sprays. We'll dry it. All right, that's my no makeup look for summer. I hope it looks like no makeup. I know, who am I kidding? Thank you, Allison, for your request. I always welcome makeup requests. I try to get to them all. Let me know in the description box what products you use when you do a no makeup look. Do you use a foundation? Does no makeup mean you stick to as few products as possible? Thank you again, and I look forward to our conversation in the comments. See y'all soon.